All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is that I almost completed. I guess almost completed. No, concept videos are completed. Just practice questions are pending of inequalities from algebra. As I mentioned in the previous video, I am only doing the basic ones, or at least the ones which I am able to comprehend, not the parts which I don't understand or are difficult for me. I'm just completely skipping those. Hence, I am able to do it this fast. Don't think I am some super genius or whatever. So yeah, inequality is done. We will start with a new topic tomorrow. And one more thing is very important thing is in DI. What I noticed is that my LR is very good compared to DI. My LR is very good. Logical reasoning is very good, but I lack in DI. And when I thought why I lack in DI, I thought like my calculation speed might be bad. I might not be good in the maths part or the calculation part. But what exactly the difficulty falls with me is that this in LR what we should do is we should give importance to all the points mentioned in the question, and even a single phrase is very important. A word like or and is very important to get the puzzle right or the question right. But in DI, what is it right? You can get everything right, and or the data is given very easily, like not that difficult as a LR question. DI questions are not that difficult as LR questions, but they are more calculative intensive. And in DI, it is like how to get that one idea. You can't solve a set at all in a DI, okay? But if you get that one idea, if you that idea sparks in your brain in 2 minutes, then you can solve the whole set like a cakewalk. It's a cakewalk for you if you can infer or comprehend that idea or the base from how you can solve that particular DI set. Then it's a cakewalk for you. It might take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 8 minutes, sometimes even 40 minutes. In rare instances, you can't even understand it or can't infer or comprehend that particular idea. Then you are not able to solve the DI set at all. So yeah, that's the thing. If you get that one particular idea or the way to solve it, then you are good to go. You can solve it very easily or very frequently or very fast way. But that was the thing which I clicked in my head, and I thought I will share it with you guys. So just about to get that one particular thing right, and everything falls in place. It felt quite good to me when I was doing one DI set. I did it very fast, and I thought, how did I did it fast? Usually I am not able to do DI sets, and how did I did it? When I recollect or retrospect it, then I found out the conclusion to be this. And yeah, that was it. And in DI today I solved 3 to 4 sets again, and it's going quite well. I am liking it, but it's not that easy. It's fun, but yeah, in a good way. It's a fun in good way, but it's also quite difficult. And in RCs I did couple of BA questions and solved 2 to 3 that section test from point 99, which I mentioned in the last video. And yeah, that is it for today guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.